One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. Got all kinds of little projects going on. Look at this. Unbuffed, buffed. Wow. It's just amazing. It's amazing. Gotta get some pictures of that. I got a guy here to pick up a tractor part. So I'm going to come out here and get him going and figure out which one he's looking at. I think it's a Vibratory Roller, if I'm not mistaken. I actually got a Cadena miner and a, what other one? Cadena and a Handshake. Handshake or Nervos, I don't know. Okay, got 3 of the 4 on here. I'll add the other one later. I was thinking about listing it on eBay. I am definitely listing 1 or 2 of these on eBay. But there we go. That's hooked up. I might show some of the stuff online. I might not. I'll be doing some videos on the miners and such. I don't know what this guy's doing. He was pulled into the gate. Now he's like this. So I guess he can figure out what he wants to do and do it. Because I got to figure out how we're going to get to these vibratory rollers. He can either set it there or he can bring it in. I don't care. Let's see here. We got that new skid steer. It's a track one. It's freaking awesome. I don't know what this guy's doing. Well, he figures that this thing's all the way in the front. It's that one. Okay. Let's get the tractor out and figure this thing out. I don't usually get too serious about getting out here till someone shows up. Our AC wasn't working in this thing. Yeah, cool. AC in a skid steer. I like that. However, I am still learning to use this thing. This guy's gonna wreck on my shit. Yeah, I don't really. He can figure out what he's doing. I'm gonna figure out how to move these things now. Because, yeah. He's still out there driving in circles. Oh, it locked. It auto locks, man. He's still out there. I don't know, man. I got plenty of stuff to move out of the way, though, so we'll just get him later. Worry about his stuff later, I guess. I don't know. I opened the gate. What's he want? An invite? He's out there trying to drive his truck. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Any better, I'd rapture right here on the spot. That's the one you're looking at, right?
Yep.
I've been warning people that some of these have an extra thing on them that require oil to be added. They are brand new. So you know. And
Oil.
yeah, and I don't think, like I say, some of these, the brush hogs have them. No, this has not got it, I don't think. Oh, the hydraulics go right into it. Yeah. The brush hogs have an extra little thing that has to have oil.
Shit, I don't even. Do I have 3? I'll have to figure that out, I guess.
Do you have 2 or 3?
I don't remember.
I know we got 3, but I'll tell you what, I'm just learning how to drive this piece of junk. It's cool, but there's so many more doodads and junk on that, and I don't know. We had a 95 XT, and I knew that.
I wonder. Let me make a phone call real quick.
Okay.
I gotta figure that. I want to say I do, but I'm not sure something.
Watch your money, bro. It might fall out of your back pocket.
Ain't it, it may not work if I don't have that third.
Okay, I'll be around here. You let me know. I'll be walking around. Jeez. So I guess he came over 6 hours from Idaho. Now he don't know if he's got the right attachment on the actual. Oh, that's a broom. You don't know if he's got the right hookups on his skid steer. How can you not know how your skid steer looks? It's not very brilliant. I'll tell you what is brilliant. This Saab. Whew. Look at the paint. So pretty. So awesome. I'm looking for an eraser. So I'm going to start doing that. I think he came back in here. I don't know. Now he's talking to somebody on the phone. Yeah, I got him. Had him a long time. Most of them will start up. And take a little something to do it, you know.
Right.
But yeah, I got quite a few of those.
Huh. Interesting.
He used to have.
Are they for sale?
Yeah. The only ones that ain't for sale is a 2 up by the house. And maybe something I forgot I had. I don't know. Yeah. I had 4 GTO convertibles, and I sold them all for next to nothing in the early 90s.
Huh.
And I swore never again once they popped, and I started buying these stupid things. I love them. They're still undervalued.
Yeah, they are.
Camaro always goes for more money.
What, how much for the wagon?
The Buick?
Yeah.
I got a guy that's supposed to be back. He bought a car for me. He's coming back up from Indiana. I told him $5 grand.
Gotcha.
It's solid. It was a 2-owner rig. Not so sure about the motor. It's probably locked up.
I don't need it that bad.
Don't need that bad.
I need
Those are getting crazy.
I need the roller a lot worse.
Okay, so yeah, it'll work then?
Yep.
Okay.
There you go. You can
Okay.
count it. You got forks, or how are you gonna load that?
Put it on the. Oh yeah, it's in the cage. You want the cage? Huh?
I don't really mind.
Yeah. I don't have a forks. And usually I'm just hooking up to them.
Yeah, that's what I was noticing.
Let me call my dad. I know we were hacking these. Yeah. There's a vibratory over there.
Vibratory.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 35. Whacker plate thing. 2, 3, 4, 5.
Is this vibrates, correct?
Yeah. 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let me call him. Where's that envelope? You think if you think I'm too far away just to hook it and pick it up halfway? You think that bar's too much in the way? Yeah, it's a ways away from it.
We could just get that welded pretty solid, actually.
Shit, I could just pick this up.
Yeah, maybe.
You don't think I can just slip these things under there?
You might. Oh, yeah.
That might. Looks like an attachment to me.
Yeah.
Let's see if this works. The what?
I think you might be able to just hook this.
I'll give it a shot.
I'm not gonna go all the way
No.
with it, but I think
It'd just be leaning on metal. It should be fine. Okay, I like that. That's the other thing. You can't hear shit in these cabs.
Oh, I know it. Mine's the same way.
I never had a cab before. That just ain't the right country away.
Close.
Okay, let me call him. I know knocked him off with a sledge probably. I got a chain around here somewhere. We can figure out how to just pick it up.
I've got a couple chains too.
Well, I'm having problems finding my chains, and I have a I got a little saw blade that just cuts through anything. But I think my guy took it home.
I was gonna say, you got anything to cut that?
Yes, I wish I had that saw blade. I have a saw blade that cut through anything. I don't think we could knock it off with a hammer sledge.
Get your regular bucket on there, and we'll just chain the shit out of it. I'll grab a couple bindings. I could throw this 2x underneath it and get you a little further in, but
Yeah? It might get us up over.
Right. I mean, honestly, if we could get it looped right, if you're under it, it'd hold, the bottom will hold as long as I can get that top chain good.
Well, you just give me instruction and I'll do.
Why don't you come in a little more on this side, so you're not quite underneath it. There, I could bind it. Let me go get my binders.
Okay. Well, he's gonna go get binders. I'm not gonna stand around and do nothing. I'll get that other side hooked up the way he's got this one. This is a it's a odd way to do it. We're thinking that we got it far enough under there, so we'll bind it back to itself. Where's he got it? Here, right there. Find that. Find it. Oh, shit, he's right. What do you do?
I run an excavation company.
So you're compacting dirt with it, basically?
Yep.
Huh, cool.
Driveways,
Gotcha.
mostly.
It's amazing how many attachments they have nowadays.
Oh, it's unreal. I'm just thinking that right there, and as long as that stays on that lip, it can't go forward. I think it would work, honestly. We're gonna find out.
Think that's enough bite?
Yeah, I honestly think that's gonna work. We'll just take it nice and easy when you go to pick up on it. Don't pick up, just tilt
Just
it
tilt
back.
a little back up.
Yep, just tilt it back.
Where am I loading on your trailer? Are you
I'm being like this. I probably ought to back in a little further.
Cool. Yeah, wherever you want it to.
And we'll load from the side if I can get this to work.
No, mine's loose.
Well, I took too much.
Well, I think it's better being tighter.
Okay, let's give her a whirl and see what happens.
I'm gonna come up a little bit. Yeah, buddy, that works. My gate's hard to get into. How am I gonna load this from the side? That's an itty bitty trailer, buddy. That is one itty bitty trailer. Probably pick it up and tilt it just a little bit to get it off, huh? I'm on your trail. I'm on your trailer, right? Okay. Well, that did it. Okay, that does that. Plus this way you got some cool scrap metal. I thought them things were really cool until we sold 2 of these every week. Then I had a big old stack of the crap here and I had to start giving it away. But it comes in handy. Well, cool, man. Have a safe trip.
Yeah.
If you need anything else, let me know.
Okay, we'll do.
Hey, new cars too. Whatever. I'm always going back and forth to Vegas, LA, and I bring all kinds of junk up from down there. I mean, right to 17, 18. Anything newer than that, the new car dealers just buy it and finance everybody, and you can't outbid them.
Keep in mind for sure.
Cool, man.
Work truck stuff ever?
I do get a lot of. I got an old GMT 400 with 50,000 miles. It's just a work truck, standard cab type of thing. But you talking like metal bed stuff and everything?
Yeah, like service box.
All the time. There's an auction, the one in Fontana. They push all that stuff through, especially if you like diesel, and you don't mind going a little bit older and stuff. A lot of the crap they can't run in California no more.
Right.
And so you can absolutely steal it because they don't care in Idaho.
They can't, yeah. I've noticed that with heavy equipment, like
Yep.
dump trucks and stuff
Yep.
down in California, they can't even run them.
Nope.
Up here, it's 100% legal.
Big time deal.
Yeah.
You can steal at the auctions down there. The big companies, they don't know how to liquidate them, and they don't have a sales force. They just send them through Mannheim, right through the dealer auction. Cool, man. What's your name?
Chad.
Chad, I'm Nathan. Nice to meet you, man.
Yep, thank you.
Well, that's that. I'm gonna get back to doing. I'll tell you what, the sob. I can't get enough of this sob. It's not a sob story. This is not a sob story. This is gorgeous. Look at that.